We'll guide you through how to bypass Claude AI. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude AI platform. You'll need to be logged in to your account to proceed with these steps. Once you're logged in, the key to bypassing some restrictions is to utilize the AI's API interface, which allows for more direct interaction. Head over to the API section of the platform, usually found under Settings or Developer Tools. If you're not seeing it right away, you might need to enable Developer Mode or access it through an Advanced Settings tab. Once in the API section, generate an API key, which will allow you to access the AI's functionalities in a more flexible manner. Copy this key and save it in a secure location on your computer. Next, you'll need to use a tool like Postman or any similar API testing tool. Open your chosen tool and create a new request. Set the request type to post and input the API endpoint URL provided by Claude AI, which is typically something like api.claudeai.com/v1/messages. In the headers section, you'll need to add your API key under the Authorization tab by selecting Bearer Token and pasting in your key. Now in the body of the request, you can specify the parameters or queries you want to send to Claude AI. For example, you might want to expand the query to go beyond certain default limits. Once everything is set up, send the request and you should receive a response from Claude AI that bypasses the usual restrictions. This method allows you to interact with Claude AI in a more controlled and unrestricted manner. Remember, it's important to adhere to any terms and conditions set by the platform to avoid any potential issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.